everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial featuring one of the best VPNs on the market, Windscribe VPN. Whether you're looking for a secure browsing experience, a fast and reliable connection, or simply want to try out their free 2 GB data plan with access to over 100 server locations, you're in the right place. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and reviews. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your device and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Windscribe VPN and hit enter. Once you see the app in the search results, tap on it and then click the Install button. Please note that the download and installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, open the app by tapping on it. You will be greeted with a Get Started button. Tap on this button to begin setting up your account. On the next page, you will need to enter your desired username and password. Once you have filled in these details, click the Continue button. For those who prefer a quicker setup, simply click Continue without email to proceed. Congratulations! You have now successfully created your account with a free 2 GB data plan, giving you a secure and fast internet connection. If you are interested in exploring premium plans, you can select your desired location to access additional premium server locations. Button at the top of the app, and in just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a high-speed internet connection. That's it for today's tutorial on using Windscribe VPN. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and more secure internet experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.